In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bitvavo. So if you haven't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to not pay any fees for your first 10,000 in trading. So you can save a lot of money with this, so feel free to check the link in the description. But anyway, let's dive into the video right now. So firstly, go ahead and set up your Bitvavo account and make sure that you verify everything from your identification documents to setting up your deposit method. So if you have your first money in your account, then you can go ahead and discover the app. And there are a lot of functions that you have on this app. And of course, the most important one is to buy crypto. So let's say that you want to buy a certain crypto coin, let's say Bitcoin. Then you're going to click on the search bar and then, for example, type Bitcoin. Here you can see the rates of the Bitcoin and you can select 1 hour, 1 day, 7 days, last 30 days, last year, and all time. And you can also access the pro mode in here to see what's happening with the rates. So this can be really important, handy if you are a more professional trader and you want to see all the ins and outs of the Bitcoin. So you can do this for any other crypto asset on Bitvavo, and there are a lot in here. So go ahead and select the one that you want to purchase, and the purchasing process is really easy. Let's say we want to buy Solana, then you're basically only going to click on buy. And then you're going to select the balance that you have on your account. So please be sure that you deposit money on your account. And if you don't know how to do it, then check my other video on how to do it, where I show it very precisely. So you can also click on advanced at the top right. And in here you can select the order price and you can select the quantity that you want to buy. And you see exactly how much fees you will be paying. So you can also do this for sell. You can see how much you will be paying in fees and stuff like that. And you can set your order price in terms of percentages. So that is about the buying and selling. And for the rest, you can do some other things. And let's go to our profile section at the top right for that to show it. And the first thing that we can do is that we can change into pro mode entirely. So let's say you want that, then you're going to click on pro mode. And right now, as you can see, we are in a different version of the app. And right now, when you click on Bitcoin, you see graphs like this. You can also buy in the pro mode, so then you click on buy, and then you can also set limits. So let's say you want a stop limit or a certain trigger price on when to buy Bitcoin. So let's say when Bitcoin reaches 85,000, then you want to buy. And let's say when Bitcoin goes to 100K, then you can enter this trigger price to sell the Bitcoin at 100K. And if you want more information about how trigger prices and stuff like that are working, then check my other videos on how you set trigger prices, loss limits, and buy limits. So that is about the pro version. Let's head back over to the normal version. So what else does Bitvavo have to offer? Well, you can invite friends, and when friends click on your shared personal link, then they will receive 1,000 commission-free trades. So I have that link as well in the description. So go ahead and click on that to get this nice bonus. So that is about the referring. You can also lend and stake. So you can stake assets for a yearly commission or a monthly commission and stuff like that. You can also lend your assets to get nice returns for this. But of course, there are also risks attached to this. And I think I have covered the most important and crucial things about the Bitvavo app right now. This is how you use the app. I hope this video was useful. If so, leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.